In this section I'm going to look at the tables block. Now I'll bring up a page. In this case I'll bring up the services page and I'll click here, and if I click here where it says formatting, I can click on table and I can insert a table. So I can determine how many columns and rows I want. So let's say I want, well, I'll just take the default of 2 columns, 2 rows. I'll click on create. So there's my table, and I can just type some information in. So for instance, I can type in the word 1, 2, 3 and 4. There's not a lot I can do to modify things. I can obviously use these controls to change the alignment and what have you. I can also make it full width if I want to, or put it back to the way it was. And I can also demand that the tables are fixed width. So it's not terribly sophisticated, but if you want a simple table, it's as good a way as any of doing it.